Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channels. So in today's video, I want to share about how to work with supplier to manage the inventory. Let's begin. Companies no longer compete against company, and supply chains compete against supply chains. But what does that mean exactly? Your supply chains is made up of your companies and all the other companies, your partner, to deliver products and services to your customers. Those other companies include suppliers of materials and parts to your factory, retailer who sell the products to your consumer, and transport company that move your goods through the system. Because you are so dependent upon these partners for your success. This is the capabilities of the entire team. Your supply chains that make you competitive. Companies like Unilever, Cisco, and Intel maintain the world's top supply chains years after years, continuously strengthening their positions in the marketplace, especially in today's global business environments. With the key partners and customers all around the world, supply chains compete against supply chains. Because of this, it is not enough for your company to be lean. Your key partners must also be lean. It is not enough for you to manage lean inventory. Your key partners must also manage their inventory with lean practices. The burden is on you to make that happen. This is your supply chains, so you must lead the team in the lean directions. Toyota serves a very great example of this. They are partnered with their key suppliers for success. If a supplier runs into a problem, Toyota does not hesitate to send a team of engineers to help find a solution. When a supplier is making a new product for them, Toyota sends a training team to assist with the production startup. And of course, lean practices are being continuously taught and transferred with this visit. Motorola is another example of supplier trainings. In every key training at Motorola, 20% of the seats were reserved for suppliers. So, as Motorola educated their mid-level managers on new techniques, they also educated the mid-level managers of their key suppliers' company on those same techniques. As they inform their executives of new strategies and programs, they also inform their supplier executive. That's the kind of approach you need to get the most benefit from managing lean inventory. You and your key supply chain partner should work together to learn and practice the lean tools and techniques for inventory control. Because an excellent supply chain treats inventory as one continuous flow of material, parts, and products through the entire network. So, in a sense, you should be managing supplier inventory as your own. To help you do this, your supplier should also be lean. Ask yourself if your company has a supplier development program. Most major corporations do, and it is usually managed by the purchasing departments. But if you work for a small or mid-sized company, developing suppliers might be done more informally. Perhaps it is time to introduce lean inventory practices to your supplier management program through formal or informal training courses. After all, everyone wants to do a better job of managing their inventory. Well, that's the end of my sharing in today's video. If you learned something new in this video, please let me know in the comments box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channels. I really appreciate you guys here today. Have a great day. Once again, my name is Vivienne, and I see you in my next video.